Hey there. Still need to create a BrushNinja of how the moon was formed? Well, here's a quick tutorial of how you can do that. So here you have your first screen. I'm just going to write something. So the way to make an animation is to take your previous screen and copy it and add onto it. So let's just say something simple. Let's say simple as hi. All right, let's say we're done here. So what we're going to do is we're going to play this and we see how it goes. It goes a little fast. If we want to make it a little bit slower, we can do it the following thing. How does that go again? I think we can make this, if we make every screen 3 times, for instance. I hope you can see this. It should be a little bit slower. Something you can play around with. All right, let's play it again. Definitely slower, looks a little bit better. Okay, so with that, I'm going to say this is finished. So if I'm done with my product, what I'm going to do, I'm going to click export. Then it comes up with animated GIF here. So I click that, export, and now it's making it. Then I go to save. You see it's downloading down here. And I believe it's done. So for you guys, I think you can either click on it. I can open up the animation. And there it shows. All right. You should be able to find that file in your downloads or in your recents. Good luck. Have fun with this.